You are going to love the 2020 BMW 8 Series. BMW 8 Series was born to cover lots of road and in a hurry. The 8 Series comes with a powerful engine that you expect with a BMW. It was BMW's flagship car and was one of the first vehicles to be fitted with an electronic fly-by-wire throttle. Born for speed and is priced below $95,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.